Howdy gamers, it's your boy Rumen with the Krieg. I decided to, I was doing some stuff without recording. Because I wanted to do some stuff without me speaking. So today, I was trying to get some destroy the cannons because they're kind of a problem. Well, they're not a problem at all because our units are getting immense trouble. I just want to make the enemy soldiers have immense pain. So yeah. Oh, the only problem is that the fact that now have the entire enemy units are now focusing on these guys. Which now I got one thing to do. I gotta do it. No, just kidding. Instead, I'm going to send in my boys back. Because, one, I am not that insane to send in one single skirmisher to kill their general. Just kidding, I am going to do that. So, I'm just gonna grab in the boys from the 2nd New York Company. And New York just gave birth. Yo! Now, if I could, hold the baby, can I hold the baby? There we go, there's the New York skirmishers. And now their only objective now is just kill those guys. Kill MacArthur! Okay, this is gonna be a bad idea, but I don't know. I am filled with bad ideas. Where's that MacArthur boy? Well, I attempted to do it, but my guys just got obliterated. So pretty much instead what I just did was help my boys to get back home. So yeah. And also Gran is chasing us. We have a massive force just chasing after us. You just go run. Run! Run! Mr. Krabs is so thick. Mr. Krabs, he's so just thick. Gosh darn. Mr. Krabs. Okay. So yeah, this is chaos. It's a little fast. Absolute pain. So come on, skirmishers. So I just grab my skirmishers and go back to your homeland. That was a terrible idea. The only thing it did was give the enemy a kill count, which the enemy is already not having. I'm pretty sure my reinforcements will come very soon. Just kidding, they won't come. I'm only stuck with like 4,000 guys and this one guy over here. Where's my 22,000 guys? Let's just do this and secretly. Oh, whoa. You know what? I got an idea. I want these guys to go back to the fort, so I'm just gonna make these guys. So I'm gonna make a big brain idea. I'm gonna make all the units here, and I'm gonna make them. I'll go make them do an offensive, which in actuality they're not doing. So. Oh gosh, yo. Hey, yo, get out! Oh, come on! Yo, you retreat! So yeah. They killed our commander, and I just did something completely useless, except make the massive brawl. So yeah. That was brutal. I didn't have to do that. Yeah, that is a smart idea for the 3rd Ohio unit to retreat back into the fort. Because if you didn't remember, the artillery just retreated to the enemy. and to there instead of retreating to the fort. And you know what happened? Yeah, they got massacred. So yeah, that's pretty smart. Second Ohio Company, in the other hand, get out of there right now. Or I can just combine the vision. Oh, damn. Damn, boy. Damn, son. Don't go to the enemy. That is smart. First Ohio and second Ohio. The second. Yeah, that is a smart plan. Time to make the Mega New York division. For some reason, the second New York guy, the New York and skirmishers won't just do. Hey, there are just. Oh, it's a battery. Sorry. Time to mix the division of the century. What's gonna happen? Are they gonna have a baby? Never mind. I do have an idea though. Hey, what if I ultra select? No. What if I just ultra? No, I don't want that. What if I just? What if I just do this? They can still combine arms. That's not good. Stay there. I want you to combine arms. Why? Combine with a man. Combine. What's he gonna combine with? Who? Oh my damn, son! Combine shot. Damn, son, where you find this? Come on. I want the big chungus. Yes. Oh, damn, boy. He thick. Damn, boy, he thick, though. I just want. Oh my god, no. Everyone fight. Everyone fight. Come on, boys. Everyone can do this. Everyone fight. Come on, baby. We're doing this. Defend the right flank. That is disgusting. Don't do that. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Defend. Attack, boys. Hovey. We can push them out. We can push him out. Come on. We can push him out the fort. We can do this. Combine. They're pushing in. God. Come on. Defend the fort. Get on the walls. Get on those walls, dang it. Get on those walls. God, this is so chaotic. We can push them back. God. We have enough time. Come on, boys. We can push them back. Come on. We can do this. Mr. Krabs, you sissy baka. Come on. Come on, boys. You can do this. Come on, man. You can do this. Come on. Come on, merge! Make that big chunky chungus! Hove! I meant this ain't poggers. I want the big, realistic Hove! Come on, they're taking our fort! Come on, boys! We can do this, we can do this! Yeah, baby! For this Emperor! Super Hove! Yeah! We're pushing him, we're pushing him! Come on, we can move in, come on! Barneys! Merge! Merge! Come on, merge with a unit, merge with a unit. We gotta, Quinn! We're pushing them out, baby! We pushed them out of the fort. Yes! We're pushing him out. We're pushing him out. Yes, baby! Managed to push those stinky. They're out of it. Come on, we can push him out. We can push him out. Come on, come on. No, yes, we got him. We got him. We got him. Oh my god. That was so intense. First New York, get in there. God, 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 get up, destroy this. Come on, you can do this. Yeah, we got him. We're pushing him out, boys. Let's go. No, we gotta protect this fort. This fort's our life. No. No! They got us. They got us. We gotta defend this fort. Come on. Come on. I see their moves. Nelson, get out of here. We're so close. We're so close. Oh my god. Come on, we can do this. Oh god. Jeez. Let's go. Howie, get over here, Howie. We can push them out. We can push him out. We're pushing him out. We're pushing him out. Oh, damn, boy. We find this. McHenry's the only problem here. Hey, find a mate. Find a mate. Why are you doing 13 New York division? 13 New York company? Get back here. You know what? Merge with the second New York, with the second New York company. Merge. Merge. Yes. Merge. I sound like a creep doing that. Okay, boys, we're gonna merge, baby. We're gonna have 1,000 men. 1,000 men guarded these roofs. The 1,000 men will fight. It's the end of the video, gamers. This is so poggers. You know, this video can last 50 minutes. Come on. There you go. Wrong mate. Yeah, there we go. There's the New Yorkers. Yes! Yes! Come on, New York. New York. Come on, make New York. Come on. Oh, come on. That's cringe. No, that's cringy. Don't do it. No. That's bad. Dear God, you know what? Let's stop the funny meme. What the heck's a meme? Defend it! Your bro